Onion tomato soup.
In a pressure cooker, add in oil, chopped tomatoes, some garlic and ginger, peppercorns, and some black cardamom. Add in salt, red chilli powder, and some haldi. Mix it well. Add in some water and give it a good mix. Close the lid and give it 2-3 whistles. Now take a wok, add in oil and butter in it. Now add the chopped onions in it. Mix it well until the onions are caramelized. Now add in the tomato mixture in the onions. Mix it well. Now add the coriander stems and leaves in it. Give it a good mix. Blend it into a fine puree. Now with the help of a soup strainer, strain the soup well. Once the soup is strained, we'll add the soup back in the wok and cook it for at least 15 minutes. So we'll mix together and add some fresh cream in it. Ta-da, your soup is ready.